Hi, my name is Melissa and I work at the Newberry Branch Library. Today we will be creating origami lotus flowers. For this project you will need 12 rectangular pieces of paper, 8 in the color of the petals and 4 green for the leaves. You will also need a rubber band. To begin, fold the paper in half lengthwise. Open and fold each point to the inner fold. Then you will fold each side to the inside fold and fold closed. Do this with all pieces of paper. Nest 2 petals, 1 leaf, inside one another, making sure the leaf will be on the inside when folded closed. Repeat 3 more times. Lay each group side by side and use a rubber band to tie together. Fold them out to resemble a flower. Turn over and peel back the first petal carefully. Next, peel back the petal directly opposite. Continue that way, working with the 2 petals perpendicular to the ones you just did. And keep going until all the top petals have been peeled back. Do the same with the next layer. Now tidy up your flower. Push the bottoms of the petals into the crevices at the base of the flower. For the leaves, you will do exactly the same thing you did with the petals, only you will stop midway and flatten them. You now have a lotus flower. Put an electric candle in it, dim the lights, and relax. I hope you enjoyed this craft. For more inspiration, please visit our YouTube channel, Alachua Library, for more videos. Search for paper crafting tutorials on CreativeBug on our website, or come into the library and check out one of our many books on origami and paper crafting. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a great day.